Magandang araw sa lahat. Ang tatalakayin natin ngayon ang pagbabago ng 448 PC Company. Ganon din ang Sambiscom, Zamboanga District Command, na pinalitan ng pangalan na Zamboanga City Metropolitan District Command. On 01 January 1992, isa sa mga pagbabago ng ating pamahalaan tungkol sa police organization, merging the Philippines Constabulary and Integrated National Police into one PNP, Philippine National Police, up to the current year 2024. Ang Central Police Station ay naging Zamboanga City Police Office. Istipot ang mga personnel as well as the investigation section and traffic section under the control and supervision of one Zamboanga City Police Office Director. 448 PC Company ay pinalitan ng bagong pangalan, the first Zamboanga City Mobile Force Company. Station pa rin sa Santa Barbara, Zamboanga City. At in the same program, nag-organize ng isang second Zamboanga City Mobile Force Company, station at Justice Artelim Boulevard, in front to Grandstand Sport Complex. Lumipas ang mga taon, nagkaroon ng deactivation ng second Mobile Force Company at ang mga personnel reassigned to different police station and only one Mobile Force Company striking force in Zamboanga City. Ang pangalan na 448 PC Company naging First Mobile Force Company, naging First Mobile Group Company, at sa kasalukuyan ibinalik sa pangalan First Zamboanga City Mobile Force Company. Dahil mayroon tayong second Zamboanga City Mobile Force Company station at Baliwasan, Zamboanga City. The merging of Philippine Constabulary and Integrated National Police into one Philippine National Police, all personnel become civilian in character but military in scope due to operational function of uniform personnel. Under the umbrella of National Police Commission as well as the supervision of Department and Interior of Local Government, DILG. Operational function with the mayors and administratively managed with the PNP. At babanggitin natin ngayon ang location sa 11 police station. Police Station 1, Bitali. Police Station 2, Curuan. Police Station 3, Sangali. Police Station 4, Kulianan. Police Station 5, Divisoria. Police Station 6, Tituan. Police Station 7, Santa Maria. Police Station 8, Sinunok. Police Station 9, Ayala. Police Station 10, Labuan. At ang Police Station 11, Sakol Island, and currently transferred to Zamboanga City proper, the station at former office of Zamboanga City Police Office, while the Zamboanga City Police Office transferred at the back of the City Hall in front of DBP, Development Bank of the Philippines. At ang mga island naman naging sakop ng Police Station 4, Kulianan, hanggang sa ngayon. At hanggang dito na lang, at huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at mag-like para updated ka sa mga video na susunod.